In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find profitable affiliate products in just a few clicks. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop them below. I tend to reply within a few minutes to a couple of hours, and I'll also leave all links in the description below for your ease. Here I am on Facebook. And when you scroll down, you've got your general post, and then you've got ad posts, which is firms promoting their products to you. Now, these are profitable because these products are already paying to get seen, which means that there's a constant surge of traffic going on, as long as they're somewhat decent at what they do. But the issue is that trying to find every single ad or product that promoting like this one, because your whole feed is cluttered with friends and family, etc. Now, in the link below, you will find a link to this extension, and this is an extension that you install to your browser. So let me go ahead and do add to Chrome, and then add extension. Okay, that's now been added, and what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to pin it to my browser. Now you can still see I've got all these posts. I'm going to click this button here, and I'm going to do show only ads. And now what it's doing is it's filtering out all of the friends posts, etc., and only showing the ads, which means I can't get distracted with anything. And thankfully it's now showing all these products. Let's say this one here, I like the look at it. Now if we click on the ad library, it's now showing all the ads this company is running. In other words, this is a very profitable product. Just look at how many ads they're running. It even tells you that they've been running it from before 12th of April. So if we scroll all the way to the bottom, this one's been running since the 22nd December 2021. So they're clearly earning money, otherwise they'll be burning through their money. So the next thing we want to do is say, right, does this platform have an affiliate program? So we can go to their website, and usually affiliate programs will be in the footer. So we scroll here, and if you're struggling seeing anything, if you press Ctrl and F on your keyboard, it will open up the search prompt. Go ahead and type in affiliate, and it's highlighted become an affiliate. So let's open this up, and this is where you can join these programs to become an affiliate. Now, sometimes the affiliate program isn't actually listed on the website, or it's a little bit secret. So what you can do is go to Google and type in on Google the product name followed by affiliate program, and then it will show all the links related to affiliate program on the website. And if that still doesn't work, what you can do is grab the URL of the product. Once again, go to Google and type in site and then the URL. Then do enter, and then this will show every single page on the website. So then you can go through every single one and determine if they've actually got an affiliate program. Now, just before we end this video, I wanted to let you know about my new course, which is all about affiliate marketing, but more specifically how you can actually earn an income by doing product reviews, and how I consistently earn 5 figures per month promoting products with a cheap webcam and a cheap microphone. No crazy anything, no hardcore investments. But you can see here, Vicky generated £534 from 17 videos. This guy generated £500 from 6 videos. This person's getting top rankings. This person's generated money, and it's just a unique method which is super beginner friendly. I've left all the links that you've seen in this video below in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.